Welcome to Baking with Melissa. Today we have an exciting sweet treat for you. We have peanut butter cookies with condensed milk, an easy recipe that does not require very many ingredients. First off, we're going to combine 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter with 1 can of condensed milk. This can happens to be 14 ounces for those of you that want to know the exact measurements. We're gonna mix the two of them together. And you know, just by the fact that we're putting condensed milk in here, you know this is gonna be a great recipe. While that's mixing, I'll tell you what's next. This is an all-purpose baking mix. You can get it anywhere at any of the supermarkets. We're gonna use 2 cups of this and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We'll add that in and slowly add in your flour, which is really the baking mix. Now these cookies are perfect for the holidays, and well, actually, they're perfect for any time if you want to really get serious. And the best part is, at the end, they'll be topped off with a little Hershey Kiss, which really adds that wow factor to your cookies. The cookie dough is ready now, so now it's time to scoop out our cookie dough and put it onto the cookie sheet. You want to get about 1-inch balls, like this, and then you want to roll it in some granulated sugar. Place it onto the cookie sheet. I've finished my last cookie here. Now I'm going to place it in the oven. The temperature is set to 375 and we're gonna leave them in for about 6 minutes. You wanna make sure you do not overbake these cookies. It's really important. I've taken my cookies out of the oven and now it's time for the fun part. So you're gonna take Hershey Kisses and press them down into the center of the cookie. And you'll just do them, and you need to do it right away, right when you take them out of the oven. And there you have it, peanut butter cookies with condensed milk. An amazing sweet treat for all of those fun social parties that you might have coming up. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Baking with Melissa, and I hope to see you next time.